Now, before we do some higher level factoring, let's undo factoring. And if you have a binomial times a binomial, to undo factoring, you would FOIL. So FOIL, again, represents first, outer, inner, last, meaning we'll multiply the first terms. X times x is x squared. Then we'll multiply the outer terms. X times positive 3 is plus 3x. Then we'll multiply the inner terms. Positive 4 times x is plus 4x. And then we'll multiply the last terms. Oh, I messed up the smiley face. Oh, that's okay. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we have like terms. 3x plus 4x makes 7x. So our final answer is x squared plus 7x plus 12. Very good. First, outer, inner, last. So let's do it again in part B. Multiplying the first terms, we get x squared. Outer, we get negative 2x. Inner, we get negative 5x. And negative 5 times negative 2 for last is positive 10. We again have like terms here. So we get x squared minus 7x plus 10. And I did do the smiley face correctly. Look at that guy. Look how happy he is. I'll draw a little tongue. Boop, boop. Adorable. All right, one more. First gives us x times x, x squared. Outer, negative 4x. Inner, 6x. Last, negative 24. Combining like terms, x squared plus 2x minus 24. Now, honestly, one example should have been sufficient because this should be review, but the comment is, remember, the signs dictate the answer, so to speak. So going back to the original one, notice we had x squared plus 7x plus 12. Remember, if the second sign is positive, then both signs are the first one. So since that's a plus 7, that means these are both pluses. So if the second sign is positive, then in the factorization, they both carry the first sign. And now let's look at part B. Notice the second sign was positive, and they both carried the first sign, negative. Negative, negative. So the second sign's positive, they both carry the first sign. If the second sign is negative, like in part C, then the bigger number gets the first sign. So plus goes to the bigger number. 6 is bigger than 4. So if the second sign is negative, that means you're going to have different signs, one positive, one negative. And the bigger number gets the first sign. In this case, since we had a plus 2x, the plus goes on the 6.